Fiverr is an exciting marketplace where service providers are paired with people who need a particular service. The service provider is paid using the Fiverr system, so there is more assurance of being paid. Potential buyers also feel safer dealing with an intermediary. Most services are only $5. If a service provider has surpassed certain goals and criteria, there are ways for the provider to create upsells and make even more money per service. Earning money with Fiverr takes both time and commitment. It also involves learning how to advance to the next levels, which allow you to add upsells and add-on services. With a little effort, you can make money with Fiverr doing something you enjoy. Let's go over the various factors involved with starting a Fiverr gig. Fiverr is all-in-one money-earning tool. While there are many ways to earn money online, Fiverr is one of the most popular platforms that match buyers with service providers of various services and skills. To earn money online, you need a product or service, a website, and then a way to build up the traffic to your website so that you can get enough orders to earn money. With Fiverr, the website and traffic component are practically taken care of already. Now all you need to do is add a wonderful skill or service that you can offer to buyers. Whether your skill is drawing, writing, coding, or something else, you can find something to offer as a gig on Fiverr. Write down a list of your skills. Then under each skill, list a service package that you can offer using that skill set. Use these lists to help you narrow your options down to a gig you definitely want to offer on Fiverr. It needs to be something you can do quickly, easily, and consistently so that you can earn the type of money you want. Fiverr is also a great outsourcing website. One little known way to earn money through Fiverr is to set up your own website, offer services at a higher price, then hire people on Fiverr.com to do the work. However, you need to be sure that the actual service provider is reliable, proficient, and delivers a high-quality service on Fiverr.com. Test out a service from providers before you start offering that service on your website so that you can accurately gauge delivery and quality before you offer it. In a way, you work both as a project manager and marketer. You'll find the customers asking for a service, and you would manage the delivery of the services using people on Fiverr. Most of the people who make good money through Fiverr offers a combination of both these options. However, before you attempt to do this, it would probably be a good idea to start with the basics and learn how to set up a gig properly. Visit the part 2 of the video series.